Today, on the 500 Workshop, we're going to be looking at buying the right part for your car. This video is brought to you in association with the FD Ricambi Technical Centre. The whole purpose of this video is to try and help you identify your car and buy the right part first time. First thing we want to do is look at the VIN number of the vehicle and the engine tag, not just the badge on the outside. Now, Fiats were made under a number of different guises and a number of different model numbers. And what you see on the badge at the front may not equate to what you have within your vehicle. On a Fiat 500, but also on many classic cars, you'll often find the VIN plate number stamped either to the left here of the fuel tank or to the right. And here we can see within the firewall we have an imprint. It says Fiat, don't know whether you can quite see that, and a stamped number. It's 1110F, which means it's either an F or an L, and there's a number in there as well, stamped in there. Now, you expect to see often a plaque there. This car doesn't have one there. This car, interestingly, has one down here, and that's because of where it was registered, which is in Paris originally. So you may have to hunt around for your VIN tag, but it should be in there somewhere if it's a registered car. Once you have the model tag and the number, you can check that on the FD Ricambi website to find out the model and year that your car was built. There are a couple of places on our engine where you can identify or help identify the model number. So on the crankcase down here, there should be a stamped number. Again, you can look that up on forums or at the FD Ricambi Technical Centre. Up here as well on this engine, it says 650. So we know or can hypothesize that is a 650cc engine, probably from a 126. So now we understand the model of car we've got. But even within those models, variations existed. There were differences between cars that were made in different years. For instance, we have a 500F here, and this was a relatively early one. So early cars often had parts from a Fiat 500D. Later ones might have had parts from a Fiat 500L. These are carryovers within the factory that Fiat didn't necessarily document. We also have different trim levels depending on the models. And then you have variances for cars which were for the export market. So, for instance, in the US, they had various overriders on the bumpers. They also had frog eye lights, which were slightly different from the standard lights that you'll see in Europe. Fiat never fully documented these variances. So when you're looking at your car, it's really important that you take the part that you're looking to replace and you compare that with the pictures on the FD Ricambi website, and hopefully you can try and find the right part for your car. These cars were built 40, 50, 60 years ago. They were built in a generation where you could work on your own cars. And as such, people will have made changes over time. And whether that's just serviceable parts or whether that's more modifications such as disc brakes on the front of the vehicle, engine swaps, gearbox swaps, it's likely that your car will have had changes over that period. So it's really important that you actually know the parts that you have. Don't just assume that because you now know the model, you will know the parts within your car. And this is why, again, it's recommended that you take the part, look at it, compare it with the images on the FD Ricambi website, and try and match the part that you have on your car to the part that you need to replace. So your final check before ordering. The best way of making sure you get the right part is to take the old part out of the car, look for any distinguishing marks or features or stamps on it, compare that to the one you're buying off the FD Ricambi website and ensure that it matches. If you're unsure, look on the FD Ricambi website at the technical centre, or contact them, or find a local specialist, or use internet forums to help identify the part that you need to replace. FD Ricambi wants to do the best for you and your car, but as an international parts distributor, they can't know your car as intimately as you do. So get familiar with your car, understand what you've got, and they will be able to help you keep your car on the road. So don't forget to visit the FD Ricambi web shop, where the tech centre is, with lots of information, diagrams, manuals, to help you identify the right part on your car.